ขั้นตอนเด้อพี่น้องก็สิแล้วนี่โอ้บีบนี่คือโอ้right there. This one right here. A bit too high though. I don't know. Yeah, they go in. Okay. Just sand a little bit. The tooth, it's not much tooth. Jigsaw, plier. Go buy the pipe. This is a pipe from Walmart, and the glue to hook up the pipe, and you get this one drill, and that's it. Not too many tools. That's my kayak right there. Put the thing on. For the donut poop, this 1 inch, this 1.5 inches. Okay, today try finish up my kayak. Sea cam, another sea cam in there. Even better. Go together, right? That's better. One more one. Reel it. Okay, today try to update my kayak, make it stable when go down to the water, to the lake. Try to go lake meet this Sunday. Try up. inside school really good. But you have to deal the whole foot. Yeah. You go in. And then one in. Another one down there. Another one in there. Good. Here, gonna be last one. Done for today. In more. That's it. Yeah. We go down to Lake Mead on Sunday. Go try out. Probably more stable than before. We'll put one more sea camera. It'll be okay. It's good. Get done finally. Upgrade today. One at a time. Do a little bit and go fishing, lake meat. That be look a lot nicer. Get in the water, go down. That's my idea. I try to do different way because the kayak really cheap. Everything cheap. Try to save money best I can. Make a lot cheaper. Okay.